1807, coming down the right, clear to land. Clear to land, man, right.
Ladies and gentlemen, your safety is very important to us at Malaysia Airlines. So please listen carefully as we take you through some important safety features specific to this aircraft, as it may differ from other types of aircraft. Put your baggage in the overhead compartments or under the seat in front of you. It's important to keep the aisles and exits clear. Fasten your seat belt by pushing the two metal ends together until they click and pull to tighten. To undo, lift the flap. You should be seated with your seatbelt fastened and visible even when the seatbelt sign is off. Infant seatbelts are available in this aircraft. Fasten your seatbelt like this and pull to tighten. Pull the harness and connect into the connector. It must be used during takeoff and landing only. As we're now preparing for takeoff, please enable the flight mode feature on your personal devices. All electronic devices must be switched off during taxi, takeoff, and landing. Do not charge your devices during this time. Small devices may be handheld or kept. Larger devices such as laptops must be stowed. If you drop your personal devices in between seats, do not attempt to retrieve. Call your cabin crew for help. Put your seat upright and armrest down. Stow your tray table and keep the window shades up. You should do this when we're landing too. Remember, it's illegal to smoke on this flight, even electronic cigarettes, and that includes the toilets where sensitive smoke detectors are installed. Tampering with the smoke detector is an offense. If there's a change in cabin pressure, the oxygen mask will drop. Be seated. Pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Pull on the bands to tighten. Breathe normally. Put your mask on first before helping others. If the bag doesn't inflate, don't worry. Oxygen will still flow. In the first class, business class, and toilets, you may need to pull the red streamer to release the mask. If required to wear the life jacket, it can be found here, here, or here. Tear the bag, slip it over your head, pass the tape around your waist, and attach the buckle. Pull the loose end to tighten. Inflate your life jacket at the exit before leaving the aircraft by pulling the red tab. Blow into this tube to inflate further and use the whistle to attract attention. This light will automatically come on when in water. Put the jacket on yourself first before helping someone else. We also have life jackets for infants. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, brace yourself like this, or this, until the aircraft comes to a complete stop. Adults with infants should brace like this. When instructed to evacuate, follow these slides to the exit. The exits are shown clearly. This aircraft has 8 exits. Please familiarize yourself with the exits nearest to you. It could be behind you. If you have to use an evacuation slide, remove your heels as they may tear the slide. Leave all your belongings. Move quickly to the nearest exit and jump on the slide. Move away from the aircraft when you reach the ground. In the event of a water landing, the slide will serve as a raft. Be seated as it separates from the aircraft. In the event of an emergency, follow your cabin crew's instructions at all times. All our safety features are in the safety information card in your seat pocket. Please take a few moments to read it carefully, even if you're a frequent flyer, while our cabin crew conducts their final checks. Enjoy your flight.
right, back 61.
Delta 61, headed departure.
Delta 61, good. Alright, 25 back. 33, won't get way to FedEx, that hotel. Windows 1971, Romeo 3, cross runway 9 right, turn left on November behind company.
Cross 9 right, join November behind company Airbus, Delta 1971.
Delta 2684 company, November 2 is going to follow you.
Delta 268400.
514 Papa cross runway 9 left, going Lima, 0.75.
And Papa cross 9 west, Lima, 175, 3540.
438, jump 2.5 off, cross runway 9 right, turn left on November.
Cross 9 right, left on November, Delta 2438.
Southwest 9012, turn left on November, hold short of Papa.
Left and over, hold short of Papa, Delta 9012.
Endeavor 3301, disregard traffic. Departure, good night.
Good night, man. 461597.
Turn 9 left, join Lima, 0.75.
Cross 9 left on Lima, 0.75, disregard Delta 2684.
Delta 1971 at Papa, cross runway 9 left, join Lima, 0.75.
Cross 9 Papa, join Lima, 0.75, 1971.
Delta 2438 at Papa, cross runway 9 left, join Lima, 0.75.
Cross 9 left and Papa, and over 175, Delta 2438. And departure for Delta 1094. Delta 1094, yes, sir. Good night, departure, good night.
Good night, thanks.
Left 7557 on Averani, runway right, clear for takeoff.
For takeoff, 8 right, Airline, Union 7557.
Southwest 5614 on a runway right, runway.
See right, right up away, Southwest 5614.
Departure for Delta 1094. 1794, yes, sir. Good departure. Left 7557, Arnav Ronnie, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff. Clear takeoff 8 right, Arnav Ronnie, name 7557. Southwest 5614, Honor Tower, runway 8 right, line up and wait. 8 right, line up and wait, Southwest 5614.
Approaching minimum.